Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we have another case for your Huawei Mate SE, and it comes to us from Tudia. So, start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow! Alright guys, so here's another case from Tudia for your Huawei Mate SE, but this time this is the Tudia Tamm case, which is a little bit thinner than the merge case, but it does have the same amount of grip, and it does have like a carbon fiber type of look on the top and the bottom. So let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. So here we go with the unboxing. Let's just pop this out. Shout out to the unboxing knife from Miguel. Alright guys, so here is the Tudia Tamm case. It's pretty much slim, and you do get a lot of grip on this case, guys. And it does have that carbon fiber look on the top and the bottom, as you guys can see. It does have a little bit of shine on there. And you do have the logo for Tudia right there on the bottom as well. And you do got that extra point there. So now when you lay it down, it's not going to lay on the phone itself, it will actually lay on those little points. And you do have it on all four corners as well. And on the side you do get a lot of grip here, guys, so I don't know if you can hear this. So it's all over the side, on the left and on the right. And also on the inside, guys, you do have the logo for Tudia products and for Tamm, designed in the USA, made in China. So let's just pop this baby in and see what it looks like. Alright, simple installation, guys. And as you guys know, this case was meant for the Honor 7X, but it does fit the Huawei Mate SE perfectly. As you guys can see, the mic on top, pretty good. And everything on the bottom looks pretty clean as well. So if you guys want to buy this case, the link will be down below. But let's get right into what we need to get into, and that's the lip action. So let's see if there's any lip action. On the fingerprint scanner, yes, you do get a little bit of some there. And on the sides, you do get lip action on both sides as well, top and bottom. Everything is always good with Tudia, and they always bring you that lip action that you need for any type of face down drops, or for the back down drops that you do have that extra little point there, so it's not going to lay on directly. And you do get the beautiful grips with a little bit of style on the top. So if you guys are kind of mad that you couldn't get a blue Mate SE, this is probably the closest that you're going to get to it. And it looks pretty good in my opinion. So if you guys want to buy this case, the link will be down below. Big shout out to Tudia for sending this out to me. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Huawei Mate SE and Tudia products. So, to the next video, guys. Peace.